With so many products out there, sometimes it's difficult to know which ones are right for you. When it comes to lighting, unfortunately, there isn't one size fits all. Understanding your lighting needs is key to selecting the right product. Luckily, Wagan is here to help. First things first, let's talk about lumens for a second. What is a lumen? Lumens are a unit of luminous flux equal to the light emitted in a unit solid angle by a uniform point source of 1 candle intensity. Confused? Simply put, a lumen is a measurement of brightness coming from a bulb. The more lumens, the brighter the bulb. So how many lumens do you need? Well, that depends on the job. Do you want just enough light to be able to see, or a ton of light to see absolutely everything? Let's start small. If you're trying to light the side of a house, the side of a yard, a trash can, or enclosures for a business, or if you're camping, or just need enough light to see, I would recommend the 1000 lumen solar micro wall light. This is a compact option that can fit in small spaces and provides ideal light so that you aren't fumbling around in the dark. If that isn't quite bright enough, may I recommend the 2000 lumen solar wall light. This is great for areas that receive less than ideal sun, and as a bonus, it can be adjusted to put light just where you want it. Sometimes you need a light, but not in a location where it receives a lot of sun. How about the new in and out detachable solar light? It's a detachable solar light that has an adjustable head and can detach from its solar panel to provide light in hard to reach places. Stepping up, for those areas such as a larger walkway, medium-sized backyard, or a shed or outbuilding, I recommend the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 800. It comes in a compact size and comes with mounting brackets, so it's easy to install and customized for your needs. Not bright enough? Double it with the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 1600 and double the lighting and double the battery capacity. Want to light a parking lot, a basketball or tennis court, or just a large walkway? How about the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 2000? These lights cover a much larger area than previous models, and 3 of these combined could effectively light a basketball court. This light is also remote controlled so that you can forget the ladder if it needs adjustment. Before we move into our big hitters, I need to explain ALT. ALT means Adaptive Lighting Technology. ALT uses smart battery optimization during cloudy days or when the battery charge is low to extend run times by decreasing the light output. That means our lights can operate for up to 10 days on a single charge. This exciting technology has been put into the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 3000. This is a powerhouse LED with multiple motion detection modes and a timer mode. Still not enough? Then check out the Solar Plus LED Floodlight 4800 used by commercial real estate property. This is the end all for lighting needs. So that's our solar floodlight collection. Did we address your lighting needs and questions? Let us know in the comments below. Give us a like and a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.